Hello friends, thanks for watching this video. If you love Symbian phones, then this video is for you. If you have a Symbian phone and if you try to install any software in it, you'll most probably get a certificate error or an expired certificate error. But in this video, I'll show you how you can get around that error by hacking your Symbian OS. Okay, first of all, let me show you how the certificate error looks like. This is an unhacked phone and I'm trying to install a file manager, X-plore, and as you can see that it's showing me an error that says expired certificate. The phone that I'll be using for this video is my old Nokia 6210 Navigator, and as you can see, I have a lot of apps installed in this phone. There are a lot of Symbian phones out there. So on which phones will this hack work? On the screen you can see a list of all the Symbian phones on which this hack should work. I've used many phones from this list, and the method that I'm going to show you, it has never failed me. As you can see, my current phone Nokia 6210 Navigator is also there on the list. If you are not sure about your phone, please check this list if your phone is there or not. So basically this hack should work on all phones with Symbian OS 9.1, 9.2, 9.3 and 9.4. We also call it S60 version 3, version 4 and version 5. Before starting, let me tell you the things that you'll be needing for this hack. You'll of course need a phone. Its battery should be full. You'll be needing a SIM card and you'll be needing a memory card. And of course you'll be needing the files that you need to hack the OS. These are basically two files which you can find in the description. So before starting, please make sure that you have all the prerequisites. There is the phone, a full battery, a memory card, a SIM card, and the Just click on the files to start the installation. But this file has given us an error. Certificate may not be valid, is expired, or phone's date setting may be incorrect. In order to resolve this error, go to the settings app and change the year and the date to 2010. It should work, but if it doesn't, then try changing the date, the year and the date to 2009, 8, 7 or 2011 or 12. It will work with one of these dates. Okay, our installation process has started. Just keep clicking continue when you get a prompt. The app has been installed. Let's try to open it. Wow, it's giving an error again. This Norton security product has expired. Please renew your license. If I try to resolve this error by changing the date, you'll see that this doesn't work. Okay, the reason for this error is that, as you can see, that my phone is in offline mode and I don't have a SIM card inserted in the phone. So in the beginning I told you that there should be a SIM card in the phone, otherwise you'll be getting all sorts of errors during the hacking process. So I'll just insert a SIM card in my phone and restart it. I have now restarted my phone with a SIM card and my app is now working, as you can see. So I'll just go to options, antivirus, quarantine list. Again I'll go to options, select restore all and just confirm by pressing yes. That's it. Now we need to go to the next step. We'll just go and remove it now. So for that we go to the app manager. Go to the install apps and we'll be looking for Symantec Symbian hack. It's just a 1 KB file. Just uninstall this file and it will remove all the components of this antivirus. You will get some prompts during the uninstallation process. Just make sure to keep pressing the OK button. Next we'll install the second file, ROM patcher plus 3.1.sisx. So like before, head to the messaging app, click on the file and the installation will start. Install it on the phone. You'll be seeing two patches in front of you. Install server RP plus and open for all RP plus. You simply need to click on each of these and once you click on them they should turn green. If both of these files successfully turn green after clicking on them, then congratulations, your phone has been hacked. In order to make this hacking process permanent, we'll add both of these patches to auto, and once you add them to auto there will be a yellow circle around these. So this will make sure that both of these patches start automatically every time you reboot your phone. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Let us confirm the hacking by installing another file from our memory card. It's an anti-theft app with the name TheftAware. Wow, it installs perfectly. Now once again, let me give you a summary of the installation process. First, you'll back up your media, your messages and your contacts from the phone. Then you'll factory reset your phone if you wish. Next, transfer the files to the phone. First, install NortonSymbianHack.sisx. Go to Options, Antivirus, Quarantine List, Options, Restore All. Press Yes. Then you'll remove the antivirus app and install the ROM Patcher Plus app. Open the ROM Patcher Plus app. Click on the two patches that you see on the screen. Make sure that both of these turn green. And then you go to options and add each of them to auto. So that's it. It's a pretty simple process and I have used it on a lot of phones and it has never failed me. So if you just follow the instructions properly, I'm sure that you too would be able to successfully hack your phone and you will be able to enjoy every app that you wish to install on your phone. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. See you soon again. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel because I'll be bringing more great videos about Symbian and Android OS in the future.